This is my palette of colors that I use to create the painting. It's nice, but it needs something to juice it up. These are the sunset colors that I have here. These are reds heading towards blues, and they look nice together, but it seems like the more red I put on, the more dull the painting becomes. So I need something to contrast it with. The problem is why this doesn't look so exciting is because we're missing a primary. We're missing yellow. Now if I come in here and I just put yellow right next to these, it doesn't really jazz it up too much. This is a yellow heading towards blue. This is a yellow heading towards red. It just seems a little bit harsh as far as the color jump. So what I want to do is I want to find something that I call the shared primary complement. And what I mean by that is that I'm going to look for something that has a lot of red in it and just a little bit of yellow. So when I add in this orange to these red heading towards blue, now all of a sudden my reds look more red. Yellow is the complement of purple. Our sunset reds here are close to purple, but not quite. They have a little too much red in them, so that's why I need something to bridge that color. The reason why this works, it's sharing the red with this row of red blues, but it's introducing the yellow without being too shocking. Let's see how this works on the painting. Now I don't need a lot of this, a little bit will do. What I'm going to do is come in here and begin to introduce this shared primary complement on the underside of the clouds. And I'm going to stop and look. Ooh, see how it brightens stuff up already. Something like this can make or break your painting. Remember, just throwing the same color at it really won't help. If you've reached how extreme your color can go, or how saturated your color can go, that's when you need to switch it out. I'm going to add in my other one. I think that this would be a great area right in here to really juice it up. And there we go. Now, my reds look bright enough. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more fine art tutorials, please visit my Patreon site, The Painter's Classroom, where for $5 a month, you get lessons in the form of videos, blogs, and handouts, plus you get your art questions answered. The link is down below. See you there.